Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You're already on the call, so act now. Enable your phone's mobile hotspot in Settings and pick 4 GHz for range or 5 GHz for speed. Make sure VO LTE or Carrier Voice Plus data is active. Without it, your data will pause when you speak. Once done, set a clear password and short SSID so the other device can join quickly. Also, watch battery and data plan. Tethering can use large amounts of data fast, so glance at your usage meter. Now connect the other device to your hotspot and verify it loads a web page. If the call audio stutters, reduce clients to 1 and enable data saver on the tethered device. Make sure the hotspot band matches needs. 5 GHz for low latency apps, 4 GHz for better range. Once devices are joined, prioritize call audio, close background uploads, or streaming on either device. Also check your phone's hotspot timeout and disable sleep if you expect. When the call ends, turn off the hotspot to save battery and data, and review your data use to avoid overage. If the voice or data dropped during the call, toggle Wi-Fi calling or VO LTE, and if needed, restart the phone radio by toggling airplane mode. That often restores simultaneous voice and data. As one troubleshooting tip, if your carrier doesn't support Voice Plus data, use Wi-Fi calling on a home or public network instead, or contact your carrier to enable the feature.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.